Today on Donaldo Cooks, we're gonna do 3 recipes in the air fryer. So buckle up, bring your taste buds, and get ready because these 3 are perfect for every occasion. Starting right out with some orange chicken nuggets right out of the air fryer. These are my favorite chicken nuggets. They're easy to make, just flour, egg, and crushed cornflakes. Get them in your air fryer with a little bit of space to let all that air go around, and then just shut them in your air fryer, set them for 385 and for 16 minutes. Give them a shake halfway through, and they'll be perfectly done. And hang in there, because the next recipe is gonna be a little different in the air fryer. Okay, so now it's time to make the orange sauce. It's super simple. You're gonna start with sesame oil, and then about 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic. These 2 flavors always go so well together. I like to put them in a lot of things. And then you're gonna squeeze 1 whole orange. So I like to do 1 half and then the other half. If seeds fall in, you can scoop them out, or you can just leave them in. So next is just a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of rice vinegar. So this next part is up to you. I like to do a sugar replacement, but put 2 tablespoons of sugar in this. And if you do go with the replacement, just make sure it's a 1-to-1 ratio. Okay, next we're gonna add a half cup of water and 1 tablespoon mixed with water cornstarch. You'll see this thicken up right away, and I actually had to add just a little more water to thin it out. And I actually didn't like how the color changed, so I added just a little bit of soy sauce, and it brought back that nice amber look. And then this part's optional, but I like things spicy, so a little crushed red pepper, add your cooked nuggets, and mix it up good. Okay, and that's it. Orange chicken nuggets are done. They're delicious. I know you're gonna love them. My favorite way to eat them is just over rice. I also slice some cucumbers up and throw it right in there, but these nuggets just go perfect with it. The rice is gonna soak up all that extra sauce, and it really is that good. Now that we're all done that, let's move right into teriyaki chicken quarters. Okay, let's start things out by getting 2 quarters in a bowl. We're gonna season it up with paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and that's it. Oh yeah, don't forget the oil before you do. Pop them in your air fryer with as much room around them as you can get, and this is where things get different. It's 385, but now we're gonna cook it for 25 minutes, and we're not gonna flip it. Of course, you should definitely check these out with a meat thermometer, and you should be looking for 165 Fahrenheit in the middle near the bone. Okay, for the sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil and a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and then add about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, another 1/4 cup of honey, and the same with some brown sugar. And right at the end, we're just gonna add a little rice vinegar and some sesame seed. And that will complete our teriyaki sauce. This meal is like a family favorite. We make this every week. It's delicious. Everybody loves it, especially the kids. Teriyaki sauce is bomb. And if you've ever had teriyaki chicken at the mall, this will remind you of it. It'll just be way better. Just to mention the little extras I put in here, I just cooked up some bean sprouts, a little bit of cabbage, and some onions, and that was it. You put the whole thing over a bed of rice, and trust me, everybody's gonna be real happy. And can you believe it? We are at the last recipe of the day. The midnight glaze chicken sandwich. I invented this recipe, so I'm excited to share it. So for the chicken, we're gonna season some flour with salt, pepper, Himalayan salt, and some paprika. Get your chicken in there real good. Make sure it's in every crevice of the chicken. And then after that, get it in a beaten egg, and then you wanna crush up some cornflakes. Crush them up really good. Really want it to get everywhere in that chicken. All right, come here, all right? Secret, top secret. You want crispy chicken, you gotta squeeze the bread in it. When it comes to your panko, your breadcrumbs, your cornflakes, squeeze it hard, all right? Don't worry about it, it's gonna be fine.
Look at that.
Okay, well, look at me giving you all my secrets. So pop them in your air fryer, 16 minutes, 385. With an internal of 165 Fahrenheit, you should have perfect chicken. Okay, and now for the midnight sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger, and 2 tablespoons of garlic. For this recipe, we're gonna use dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. And you're gonna do 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of light. Next, we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of honey and just a splash of fish sauce. And you might know by now, I like things spicy, so if you want, add some crushed red pepper. Add a teaspoon of marin and squeeze 1 whole lemon. Now just cook this on low and let it reduce until it becomes a thick, nice sauce. And that's it, your sauce is done. Now you just gotta dredge the chicken, which is a little bit of a pain, but if you want it to look nice, take your time, and the end result will look really nice. I just want to take this time to say thank you. If you made it to the end, please subscribe, like, comment, or watch the next video that's coming up right now. But either way, there's another video coming out in 2 days, so I'll see you then.